Welcome back. MPT is planning to diversify while drifting away from dependency solely on the ore cargo. The Port Trust is moving forward with this plan. After suffering a loss of over 125 crores post-mining ban this financial year, MPT is working out to attract new commodity cargoes. MPT is also hoping for a package from the Union government to overcome financial crisis. Surendra Madkekar's special report.
New cargo we are trying to contract, because now that we depended more on the mines, now we understand that there is no point in depending more on the mines, so naturally we have gone for a new cargo. As I have been telling you, wheat is one area which MMTC exports. We are in continuous talk with the government of India, and they have already allotted a second ship is coming in another week's time to take wheat from our port. And we are also working whether it can be designated as a port where we can directly export wheat continuously except during the monsoon time. And second thing is that granite has really picked up, that's another thing. And a lot of cargoes coming from Hubli, like maize and other agriculture commodity, that's another area. And like this, we'll try to attract a new commodity to our port.
Pandian claims that MPT is going through immense financial crisis. Port's balance sheet shows a net loss of 125 CR this fiscal.
So the whole financial position of MPT is very, very bad. Now that March is over, the provisional figure shows that the net loss of MPT is about 94 crore without my pension contribution. If I had my pension contribution, the net loss would be roughly about 125 crore.
Port Trust has also pleaded for assistance to the Union government. Union government seems positive in helping the MPT to overcome current financial crisis.
We have taken up with the Government of India. Government of India has been very, very positive. We have submitted a memorandum to the Government of India to the extent of roughly about 400 crore. And Government of India is examining. I do hope that they will be able to help us financially in another 1 or 2 months' time.
Surendra Madkekar for Prudent.
Stoppage of ore transportation has led to a decline in the frequency of accidents in the mining belt. The accidents in Kurchode, Kepe and Sangye mining stretch have declined in the past 6 months compared to the figures year before. The belt witnessed frequent accidents and traffic jams in the mining areas due to uncontrolled and unregulated ore traffic. However, locals want the legal mining and ore transport to resume with proper traffic control. Mayur Naik reports.
These are the traffic jam-free roads of Kurchade, Kepe and Sangye. The roads are free for commuters to walk and ride 2- and 4-wheelers. But this was not the scene a year back. The same roads witnessed frequent jams with unending queue of mining trucks. Now have a look at the figures of fatal accidents involving mining trucks in the last 4 years. Kurchade witnessed 14 accidents involving ore trucks and 9 involving other vehicles. In Kepe, there were 4 fatal accidents in 4 years linked to ore transportation. Have a look at the accident figures in Sangye Taluka. Sangye reported 5 accidents since 2009 involving mining trucks and 4 fatal accidents involving other vehicles.
जे भायलीचे ड्रायव्हर येताले तांकां एक ट्रका फाटल्यान एक ट्रिपी फाटल्यान एक ट्रीप मारली जाल्यार 500 रुपया आनीक अशें करून तेय बीन सामको आपणाली ट्रीप सुबेज जावपा जाय म्हणून लोकां कोणा पळयनाशिल्ले आनी सामको स्कुटरवाल्यांक आनीक जे चलोन वयतात तांकां तर पळयकच नाशिल्ले आमकां जे पयलीं पळय उडसूड एक्सिडेंट जे पळय आमकां लक्षांत येताले आयकूं येताले कानाचे ते एक्सिडेंटाचें प्रमाण खूबच कमी जालां.
People feel that there is a need for proper traffic control system to be put in place. They say legal mining should start at the earliest with proper traffic rules and systems to avoid traffic hazards.
मायनिंग जी आसा ती पयलीं जशी चलताली लीगल मायनिंग जशी चलताली सुरळीत जशी मायनिंग चलताली तशीच ही मायनिंग चालू जावची आनी जे आमगेले कामगार लोक जे आसात ते पोटापाण्या खातीर ह्या मायनिंगाचेर जे लोक जगताले तांकां तेजो आदार जावचो. मायनिंग परती स्टार्ट जालें की ताणी ही शिस्त दवरून ही अशी शिस्त दवरून एक्सिडेंट कितली कमी जातले काय जावचीच ना हाजेर तर लक्ष दवरत जाल्यार एक्सिडेंटाचेर खूब आमचे रहदारीचेर खूब मर्यादितल्यो आनी एक्सिडेंटाचेर बीन खूब एक्सिडेंट कमी जातले.
Reporter Mayur Naik for Prudent.
Seems like traffic cell in Panji has to grow in a big way. There is shortage of manpower and traffic signals to tackle the major problem of traffic jams in the capital city. Currently, the traffic cell's strength is less by 50 personnel. Officers claim that traffic signals can make their job much easier, though the option may not reduce the number of traffic police personnel. Dinesh Karpe reports.
Capital city suffers a major problem of traffic jam. There are less off-traffic signals and police personnel to mend the traffic. Here, have a look. Major junctions in Panji do not have traffic signals installed. This is KTC Junction, Santa Cruz Junction, Santines Junction and Kakulo Island. PI of Traffic Cell Dharmesh Angle feels that these are the major junctions in city which require traffic signals.
गरजेचे म्हणल्यार एक KTC बस स्टँडाचेर सिग्नल जाय, मागीर तशेंच हे वटेन मेर्शेस सर्कल जर तुवें पयलें सांताक्रूज जंक्शन थंय सिग्नलाची गरज आसा. मागीर सिटीन आयलो जाल्यार सांतिनेज जंक्शनाचेर गरज आसा. तशेंच फुडें गेलो जाल्यार हाजे कडेन काकुलो आयलँड थंय गरज आसा. अशें खुबशे कडेन आमकां सिग्नलाची गरज आसा.
Yellow flashing is yet another method that is used to control the traffic. It is a signal that indicates that an interior road is joining the main road. There are 2 to 3 places in city where yellow flashing signals have been installed. Sadly, they are not working.
जेन्ना मेन हायवेचेर सायडीचो रस्तो येवन तेंकता थंय आमी येलो फ्लॅशिंग घालतात. येलो फ्लॅशिंग म्हणटा थंय एक येलो ब्लिंकर असो आसता, तो रातचो सिग्नल करता की सायडीच्यान एक रस्तो हांगा मेळटा, ताका लागून तुमी स्लो रावा. हें काम सिग्नलांचें.
When questioned whether installation of traffic signals can reduce the required strength of traffic police personnel, Angle said no.
म्हणटकीर आमचें काम थंय जो पळय पुलीस लागतालो तो काम पुलीस लागतलोच थंय. सिग्नल इज आफ्टर ऑल एन इलेक्ट्रॉनिक्स डिवायस. फाल्यां लायट गेली कितें जाल्यार थंय परत रोखडोच केवस ना लागतलो. काम तितलें सोंपें जातलें, पूण स्ट्रेंथ कमी जावची ना.
This cell is already facing shortage of manpower. PI Angle claims that his cell needs at least more 50 personnel.
म्हाका आतां सद्याच्या परिस्थितीर आनी 50 तरी लोक जाय. 50 जायत जाल्यार म्हजो स्ट्रेंथ कम्फर्टेबल जाता.
Video journalist Dinesh Karpe for Prudent.
World Health Day was celebrated at the Nursing Institute in Babali on Sunday. High blood pressure was the theme this year. Health Minister Lakshmikant Parsekar said that government is setting up super specialty cardiac facilities in GMC.
The buildings is of no use. It is a wastage of government exchequer. We have seen, I don't want to criticize, hospital बांधली म्हणून जायना, we need to have good manpower as well. आणि गरजेप्रमाणे बांधून जाय. Those are to be evenly distributed, which has not happened here. सगळे सुपर स्पेशालिटी आमच्याकडे जाय. For which we are striving in Goa Medical College. ठीक आसा, Goa Medical College सगळे गोष्टी आसूंक जाय. थंय न्यूरोलॉजी आसा, न्यूरोसर्जरी आसा, युरोलॉजी आसा, nephrology. All super specialties are there. Soon we are trying to develop those cardiology, cardiac surgery आम्ही ह्या येणाऱ्या काळात हाडटात. कॅन्सर ट्रीटमेंटची व्यवस्था हांगा जावंक जाय.
High blood pressure, also known as hypertension, enhances the risk of heart attacks and stroke. If it is left uncontrolled, it can also cause blindness and even heart failure. The crucial objective of World Health Day is to reduce heart attacks and stroke resulting due to high blood pressure. The risk of developing high blood pressure can be hugely reduced by adopting some easy measures like having a healthy diet.
We must avoid those pizzas, those Domino's pizza or those fast foods, the colas, going to market with a scooter or a car, and change our lifestyle by exercise, weight control, our waist control, sodium, less sodium these, and high fruit and vegetables.
Senior journalist Tulsidas Chari for Prudent.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.